Now let's have a look at our first proof of concept developed for a company called as RoboCalam. So this was our first client, and we have provided them with the services of marketing, advertising, risk analysis, and competitor analysis. So every dashboard comes up with a username and password, which is unique for the organization. So, and under it, once a login is successful, they can view the services provided for them. For example, let's have a look at market research. For market research, we have scraped articles which are related to edutech. So, whenever the person clicks on this RS Online UK, the person can get market research insights with respect to global edutech functioning. And if you want to see the stats, we can select the stats. And if you want to have the executive summary of the article, we can click on executive summary of the article. Now, here is how the market research insights from this article would look like. And also, this secondary source is published every 2 months, and this data is pulled in real time in order to provide the real time insights with respect to market research insights. So, we can just move the slider in order to have the complete insights. And similarly, there is another article used in order to provide the market research insights. And now let's try to have a look at advertisement segment. In advertisement segment, we try to provide both specific as well as generic insights. Specific insights deals with their social media analytics. So let us have a view at it. So if we click on this summary insights with respect to Facebook, we fetch the data of their Facebook social media analytics, which looks like this and deals with the reach and impressions of their posts. Similarly, if we look at the Instagram segment, summary stats are like this, which are displayed. And also, let's look at the generic things. Generic things are useful if the people are entering, if this company is trying to enter into new markets. So this generic insights will provide the social media analysis of every country, that is with respect to how much percentage of people are using what sort of social media, so that they can target their ads better. And next, let us have a look at risk analysis. So coming to the risk analysis, we try to provide the insights on how the disruptions are happening in the field. And for this, the topic modeling has been done, and the organization can use these things to understand what are the disruptions happening and stay up to date with the future disruptions that are going to happen and adapt to them. And coming to competitor analysis, we want to have a competitor analysis in real time and provided an option called as know your competitors, where one can enter the search term to search what are the top global edtech firms, so that they get an overview of what are the top edtech firms and related links, and that are optimized in search engine even, that are standing top on search engine even. So these links would lead to understand better what are the competitors in detail. So this is a POC delivered as a part of the first dynamic dashboards.